In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix kernel mode heap corruption BSOD on Windows 10 and 11. First, go here, type in cmd, and right-click, run as administrator. And here you're going to type in chkdsk space /f space /r, and then you want to run this. So after it finishes running, you can close this down. So now you want to go here, type in device manager. Inside device manager, you want to go to display adapters, and here you'll see your drivers. So you right click update driver and then search automatically or browse. So I suggest just search automatically. Do the same thing with the other driver and just update it. So it's important to update the drivers for the display adapters to the latest versions so you can have no issues. So once this is done, you can lastly just try to go to cmd here again, cmd, and right click, run as administrator, click yes, and then just run a quick scan. So this is sfc space /scan now, and then click enter and let it run. And then the last command you want to do is basically ipconfig space /flush DNS. So this will flush your DNS. So press enter and let it load. And once this is done, you can restart your computer and your issue is fixed.